Day 2, let's go.
The expo floor is about to open at 11 a.m. today.
Super. I was trying to sneak in yesterday, but it was like, no, no spoilers.
Can't wait what the day has in store for us.
Looking forward to see many people and many exciting stuff.
This year we have a record number of 167 exhibitors at the expo, so it's going to be really exciting. Let's follow the press.
And here in the middle of the Expo Hall, we have a corner that is dedicated to very promising startups.
Builders are pitching here right now. We have 40 builders pitching their companies right in front of the group here, and it's the first opportunity to showcase their products.
It's great. We're here, we could present, we can talk to interesting people. Perfect.
And all morning we had a scientific conference.
Hey everybody, we're here at the Enterprise VIP room where enterprises from across all verticals are here to meet together, to share ideas with each other, to learn from experts.
It's a great day, I love it. Today we also had the Booster, a great accelerator program for early development content creators. Oh, we're super excited about the XR Awards Gala tonight.
And look out for the announcement of the winners right after that.